Hello friends, good morning, and you are watching Divineodisha, and this is Bhagirathi Bhoi. Dear friends, today we are coming to Sunabeda Sanctuary. You know, this is belong to Nuapada district. This is beautiful and scenic sanctuary, and we are looking here. This is the Oranjhala waterfall, and plastic has been banned here for the environment policy. And we also like to request to my visitor tourists that please don't throw plastic here and there, and enjoy this beautiful scenery around Jhula, and let's come and see the beauty of Sunabeda Sanctuary. Hello friend, this is the another attraction of Sunabeda Sanctuary. You are looking here. This is the beautiful scene of Godhas waterfall. You are looking here. Two waterfall in one place, and it is looking like that. Milk are falling in this place. A milk flowing from the stone, and this is retain the heart of the tourists who are coming here. And I always like to appeal to the my tourists who comes here, always enjoy the nature, and always think that this nature is yours, and always think yourself protective, and don't do anything which will make this beautiful and scenery and amusing waterfall as polluted. So this is your risk and this is your responsibility. When you are coming here, enjoy the nature, don't do anything. I would like to request, don't swim inside this waterfall, because this is dangerous. So many incidents has occurred here. So I always like to request to all my tourists, all my newcomers are coming here, that always enjoy the nature. So many, this is very this is just like a heaven waterfall, because two waterfall falling in one place in the Sunabeda Sanctuary. And there are more than 13 waterfalls in our Sunabeda Sanctuary, like Godhas, Benuadhas and Kharaldhas. And I am going to show you also Kharaldhas waterfall, which is situated in the Sunabeda Sanctuary. So when you are coming, you are always welcome to this waterfall. You are always heartily welcome to our tourist visitors. So always come here and enjoy the entire nature, because nature is given by the God. And this is for everyone. So please come the Godhas waterfall and enjoy heartily with your family members, relatives and friends. Stay happy, stay healthy. Jai Jagannath. माँ पूरा अधिष्ठात्री देवी पूरा हमें देखमा सब आड़े विख्यात अच्छा माँ तो मांकर उत्पत्ति विषय आम किसी जानबार लगे चाहमा।
ठीक अच्छे आज्ञा माँ उत्पत्ति तो बेसी लंबा कहानी है किंतु हेल्ले भी सर्टकट भी तार इतिहास पैदा हुआ 7 कोस चौड़ा 24 कोस लंबा गुड़ा पहाड़ से गुड़ा गरे माँ सुनादेवी पीठशाल अच्छे चारिड़े फिर आर मुख्य देवी मन छन माँ सुनादे बेड़े माँ सुनादेवी पूजा कर तार जन्म स्थान हूँ आमर से लिंगमठा बोलिकी किंतु तार बापा माँ इतिहास अच्छे आमर से गिरी ब्राह्मण दसला दे तांकर माँ बापा ना गिरी ब्राह्मण ताकर माँ ना हो दसला दे और से मन हो सात भौणी आ ताकर भाई हो बुढ़ा राजा तो सुना बेड़े माँ सुना दे इन्हें पूजा खाऊन और बुढ़ा राजा तो अनेक जगह पूजा खाऊन अनेक गोत्र।
Okay, I have just returning from the Sunabeda sanctuary. You are looking, this is the road which leads to the Sunabeda sanctuary, and we have experienced beautiful scene there. There are 3 major waterfalls like Benuadhas, and first time I traveled to Kharaldhas, and this was very beautiful. And we go to Ma Sunabeda temple. You know, there are 55 villages in this sanctuary, and there is only one goddess, that is Ma Sunabeda, and this is called that, and it is believed that a single leaf is unable to move without the permission of goddess Sunabeda, and that's why entire sanctuary people are living peacefully with the bless of Ma Sunabeda. And I want to inform you that the major festival of Ma Sunabeda is held in the month of Dasahara, in the Kumar Purnima of Ashwin month. And I also like to request to everyone, please come and get the bless of Ma Sunabeda Shatar Jatra in this 2024. And also Divineodisha will try to cover that event, and also hope that we will get the bless of Ma Sunabeda. I also like to request to all the tourists who are coming to this sanctuary that always enjoy the nature peacefully with protection, and always think that this nature is yours, and always try to protect the nature and enjoy the entire scenery, entire the sanctuary